Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Kensington Local and Long Distance. Movers near me. Long-distance moves can be so stressful that they can destroy your mental peace. Therefore, hiring a long-distance moving company would mean giving up your stress to the moving experts. 3 Movers is a moving company that can handle long-distance moves easily. We can plan your long-distance move that will also fill up your budget needs. We offer services at transparent prices. Also, we offer free quotes. If you are moving within your country, you still need to prepare for the concerns you would face for a long-distance move. The packing still needs to be done, and the heavy lifting can even injure you if you try to do it all yourself. Therefore, hiring a local moving company would be an ideal choice for you. 3 Movers are the best local movers in Kensington. We can get you moved in just a few hours so that you can be comfortable in your new home. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Kensington moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.